Hi, I'm Rich Close, and today's iPhone tutorial is on the calculator and how to add it to Control Center. So if you want easy access to a calculator, we can just scroll up to get Control Center, or on a face recognition phone, scroll down from the top right-hand corner, and you'll see an icon down here for a calculator. Click on that icon, and it launches a simple calculator that you can use for calculating tips or adding up your bills or whatever you'd like. I don't know if you know this, but if you turn your iPhone on its side, the calculator actually turns to a scientific calculator with more functions, right? So we'll turn it back up for the simple calculator. All right, what if your calculator isn't shown in Control Center? How do we turn on the calculator in Control Center? So we go to the Settings menu, look for Control Center, and I have Calculator turned on, so let's remove it from the Settings menu. So you can see in your included controls right now the calculator wouldn't show up. Simply scroll down on your screen to find Calculator. These are the other controls, by the way, all the ones with the plus sign that you can add if you so choose to your Control Center. And simply click the plus sign and it pops up that function or feature to the active controls. And then you can grab the three bars and slide it up to a location where you want it to show in Control Center. So I've now added the calculator back to my Control Center, and you can see it'll be in the menu right after text size. Let's scroll up on Control Center, and you can see there's the text size, and here's the calculator in Control Center. Thank you for watching my videos. Please click the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my website where you can find more iPhone tutorials and a link to my iPhone seminar.